Hey everyone, have you been hunting for a home theater setup that actually sounds as good as it looks? I know I was, until I finally found this Klipsch reference Premier RP-8000F 25.1 system paired with the Onkyo TX-NR6100 receiver. And let me tell you, it's not just another flashy box with wires. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So, what makes this setup stand out? First off, the speakers themselves are built like tanks. The RP-8000F2s come with those Cerametallic woofers, which are basically ceramic coated to handle distortion-free bass even when you crank the volume. I tested this during a movie night with Dune. The deep rumbles of the sandworms hit hard without any muddiness. That's the kind of clarity you don't get with cheaper systems where the bass just blurs everything together. Then there's the LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter. It's designed to deliver crystal clear highs without that harsh, tinny sound you sometimes get from other speakers. I played some jazz records through this setup, and the cymbals had this crisp, natural ring that made it feel like the musicians were in the room with me. It's subtle but makes a huge difference in immersion. Now, the Onkyo TX-NR6100 receiver is no slouch either. It's THX Certified, which means it's been rigorously tested to meet strict audio standards. That certification isn't just for show, it ensures the receiver can handle dynamic range without distortion, so whether you're watching a quiet dialogue scene or an action-packed blockbuster, everything sounds balanced. I also love that it supports 4K HDR pass-through, so you're not sacrificing video quality for better sound. That's a big deal if you're gaming or streaming in 4K. Another thing I appreciate is the system's scalability. The RP-8000F2s are floor-standing, so they handle mid and high frequencies beautifully, but if you want to expand later, you can add the RP-500SA surround speakers or even a subwoofer for deeper bass. The Onkyo receiver supports up to 7.2 channels, so you've got room to grow without needing to replace everything down the line. Let's talk about setup. I'm not the most tech-savvy person, but getting this system up and running was straightforward. The Onkyo receiver has a guided setup menu that walks you through calibration, and Klipsch's speakers are designed to be user-friendly. I had it all connected in under an hour, including running speaker wire and positioning the speakers for optimal sound. The manuals are clear, and there are plenty of online resources if you hit a snag. One feature I didn't expect to love but now can't live without is the receiver's built-in streaming capabilities. It supports Spotify, Tidal, and even AirPlay too, so I can play music directly from my phone without needing extra devices. That's super convenient for background music or when I want to switch from movies to tunes without fumbling with remotes. Now, no setup is perfect, so let's keep it real. The Klipsch speakers are big and heavy, great for sound, not so great if you're moving them around often. Make sure you've got the space and a sturdy stand or shelf. Also, while the Onkyo receiver is packed with features, it's not the smallest unit out there. If you're tight on rack space, you might need to plan accordingly. But overall, the sound quality and build of this system are top-notch. If you're serious about upgrading your home theater and want something that delivers rich, detailed audio without breaking the bank, this setup is worth every penny. The clarity, the power, and the future-proofing make it a solid investment for movie nights, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite music. So if you're ready to step up your audio game, check out the Klipsch reference Premier RP-8000F 25.1 system with the Onkyo TX-NR6100 receiver. The link is waiting for you below. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Klipsch reference Premier RP-8000F 25.1 home theater system with 8-inch Cerametallic woofers in Ebony with Onkyo TX-NR6100 7.2 channel THX Certified network AV receiver sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths-like system includes and rigorously tested to receive the coveted THX Select actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off.